Hello, welcome to Love at Home with Kim. Today will be a review of the Lupantte Nursing Bra and Pumping Bra, and this video isn't sponsored. They were just kind enough to send me this product to try. It comes in this packaging, and as you can see, it's a little bit messed up right now because I cleaned the bras prior to making this video, but it was all organized. It's not like this. And what's good is that it comes with these extenders just in case you would like to adjust the size of your bra. So this is how the bras look like. They come in beige, pink, and black. So the pink and beige are nursing bras, while the black one is a pumping / nursing bra. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use them. But this is how the pink nursing bra looks like. So it's pretty straightforward. It's very comfortable here. There's no wire, but you can see that there is a lot of support in front. And at the back, this is how it looks like. So when you want to nurse your baby, you can just unhook this clip. Then you can nurse your baby. And then you can hook it right back up. I love how the straps are very thick. It shows how the material is really sturdy. So this is how the beige looks like on me. It's pretty much the same, very straightforward. Hook and unhook the clip over here, and the same as the pink one, you just slide it down, nurse your baby. Out of the three, this is actually my favorite one because it's 2-in-1. It can be a pumping bra, it can also be a nursing bra at the same time. And I just love how it really supports the breasts over here, and it's not painful. It's very stretchy, and plus you can also extend it using the extenders that were provided. You also have the option to remove the straps here, and then you can just make it crisscross at the back just in case you would like to have more support. But for me, I prefer to wear it this way. Now I'm going to show you guys how to put the pumps. Now you can be totally hands-free while you're pumping. Initially, I thought that I wouldn't need a nursing or a pumping bra because most of the time I'm just staying here at home. But when I started to see a lot of milk stains on my t-shirts because of the letdown of the other side of the breast, then I needed breast pads. And of course, I needed a bra for those breast pads. That is why I started using some nursing bras. But out of all the nursing bras that I've tried, this is probably my favorite. Not because they gave this to me, but because it's really very sturdy. It's very comfortable at the same time. As you can see, this is how much milk I have collected in just less than 10 minutes. So that's why I really need to pump, because it gets so painful if I don't take these things out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on pregnancy hauls, cooking, cleaning motivation, gardening, and all that good stuff. And also click the bell icon down below and click the word all so you know that I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Also, if you want to check out Lupantte Nursing Bra and Pumping Bra, you can also check the description box down below. I'm gonna link their store as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!